But no one was ready for what happened next, because once they start to talk into the toy, this happens. She bought her daughter a picture.
Macam nih teman-teman, mulai dari kornea mata yang tergores, gigi terkelupas.
Teruknya sampai ke terkena mata, sampai terkoyak mata. Hi guys, Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi guys. Okay guys, so hari ni kita nak tengok beberapa patung ataupun permainan budak-budak yang telah pun diharamkan, dan beberapa yang seram lah. Dikatakan patung-patung ataupun permainan-permainan ni katanya bersebab ya, bukan saja je diorang ni diharamkan, tapi bersebab. So aku rasa aku pernah buat kot video ni 2 tahun lepas. So kita nak tambah beberapa collection lah dekat video-video yang kita tengok dulu. Okay, so jom tanpa masa, jom kita tengok sama-sama Disturbing Kid Toys That Were Banned. Let's go. Okay,
Disturbing Kid Toys That Were Banned. Evil Stick.
ini kita dah tengok.
Hidden behind the foil, it show a demonic young girl.
Ini sumpah scary.
Time Monsters.
Time Monsters ni aku tak tahu.
There was a hidden message inside the Time Monsters that says, turn off the
Time Monsters
TV.
Kita tengok yang Time Monsters ni.
potty time with
Ini
Elmo.
kita dah tahu.
The Elmo toy was saying, who wants to die?
Kan. Okay.
Cuddle and Kudal.
Oh, ini apa?
The doll was saying, Islam is the light.
Dia cuddle and coo.
Cabbage
Tak,
Patch
masalah memang betul lah kan, Islam is the light. Kenapa kau nak haramkan pula?
Kids.
Ni kita dah tengok.
The doll almost ripped out a girl hair.
Okay, ini betul, kita pernah tengok. Scary kan dia punya mulut tu.
Sky
dia makan.
Dancers.
Sky Dancers.
It flew in random, unpredictable directions, which
Oh,
injured
you
children
cool.
and adults. Disturbing kid toys that were banned.
Okay, mula kita nak tengok Time Monsters ni dulu. Macam mana bunyi dia? Kau suruh ni pula. Ni. Turn off the TV.
Disturbing Kids Toys That Were
Nini.
Banned, Part 1. Time Monsters.
Nini.
It is said all of these toys have a little bit of a different backstory. They all look exactly the same, but all say something a little bit different when pressing down on their heart.
Turn off the TV.
Bapak scary.
What?
If only we knew what they really were saying. Some people say the hidden messages make kids want to do things that they probably shouldn't. My question to you guys is, what do you think they're saying? Don't forget to like and follow for more videos.
You ke? Serius? Macam tu ke bunyi dia?
Disturbing Kids Toys That Got Banned.
Time Monsters ni kot nama.
These have a bit of a subliminal message.
Every one of these little cute things says exactly the same thing. Sounds like gibberish, but if you listen closely, they all have a hidden message.
Hidden message
The hidden message he claims they're saying is sort of right in the middle. So don't listen to the beginning, don't listen to the end.
Disturbing Kids.
Macam tu pula. Kenapa pula kalau tak boleh ke kalau patung ni cakap turn off the TV? Kenapa? Tak boleh ke tutup TV tu? Okay, tapi kalau malam-malam scary lah.
Disturbing kid toys that were banned.
Ni.
Evil Stick.
Ni kita tengok.
Is hidden message inside the
Semua dia cakap pasal Time Monsters punya bunyi.
Disturbing Kids
Ya,
Toys
tengok.
That Got
Okay. Okay, selepas tu kita dah tengok Time Monsters. Kita nak tengok yang ni. Kudel and Ku. Kudel. Okay, ni.
Fisher Price says people are hearing what they want to hear. Well, we'll let you be the judge.
Itulah bunyi dia weh, yang dia cakap Islam is the light. Kenapa pula Okay, sambung. Yang pasal patung kudel kadel tu. Okay.
A lot more. Packaging
Siap masuk
advertises that
TV,
she coos and babbles and even says mama, but some people think she says a whole lot more.
Dia
What
bukan
is that
cakap
video?
mama. Sepatutnya dia cakap mama. Islam is the light.
Sister Price's
Islam is
little
betul
mommy
lah.
baby.
Gitu. Kalau agama yang sama, okay lah kan.
Was heartbroken, and he moved to
Okay,
this.
so itu kita dah tengok last kali patung Sky
It
Dancer.
flew and
Sky Dancer doll. Kita search Incident, okay. Okay, jom kita tengok. Ni.
Oke teman-teman, ini merupakan salah satu mainan yang berbahaya banget nih di era 90-an. Namanya itu adalah Sky Dancers. Yang bikin boneka ini berbahaya itu adalah ketika dimainkan nih teman-teman. Karena boneka ini bisa berputar ke segala arah. Banyak banget laporan tentang boneka ini yang menyerang anak-anak maupun orang dewasa. Laporannya pun juga macam-macam nih teman-teman. Mulai dari kornea mata yang tergores, gigi terkelupas.
Teruknya sampai terkena mata, sampai terkoyak mata. Uish.
Tulang rusuk yang patah,
Patutlah pun
dan gagal otak.
diharamkan.
Mainan ini pun akhirnya dilarang produksi pada tahun 2000 teman-teman. Dan ini adalah video bagaimana boneka ini ketika dimainkan nih teman-teman. Tuh kalian bisa lihat sendiri kan, boneka ini putarannya kenceng banget dan arahnya juga nggak tentu kemana. Bahaya banget deh pokoknya. Oke teman-teman, ini merupakan
Itu guys, tak ada ke macam contoh?
I give you the Sky Dancers. Sky Dancers were first made in 1994 by Galoob Toys. It came with a base that had a string in it. You would pull the string, it would
so
shoot
kita
the
tarik
dancer
dia,
twirling
okay.
up into the air with its arms outstretched. The problem was that it didn't always shoot straight up. You never knew which way it would go, and it led to a lot of injuries. There were hundreds of complaints of all sorts of injuries. Cuts that required stitches, temporary blindness, chipped teeth, and even concussions. After 6 years of production, in the year 2000, 8.9 million of these Sky Dancers were recalled. They did remake them so that they would go only straight up and with much softer wings. Follow for more.
Tak ada ke?
Alright, y'all, so before we test it out, I wanted to show you how in good condition these wings are. And I think I got some original because as you can see, the year on them is 1994, so they might be the first generation of these toys. And as you can see, I crouched down as low as I could because I am super nervous. I do not want to lose her or break her. That was a failed attempt, and we will get her going a little higher. But yeah, don't come for me because I really did not want to actually get her really high. Alright, y'all.
So itulah guys, beberapa patung yang katanya telah pun
Disturbing kid
diharamkan
toys that were-
pengeluaran dia. Macam kita dah tengok Evil Stick tu kita dah tengok. Lepas tu kita tengok Sky Dancer, Time Monster dengan Kudel and Ku. Apa dah? Kudel and Ku. Okay, kita tengok. Yang ni pula Kita
Disturb-
tengok. Benda sama ke?
The doll, the Sky Dancers. Disturbing.
Sama je weh. Sama je yang tu. So last kali, ini adalah patung yang orang kata seram lah kan. Mak bapak yang belikan untuk anak diorang. Lepas tu katanya ada insiden selepas tu. Ini tak termasuk dengan patung yang diharamkan tu, tapi aku tunjuk ke korang yang ni.
She bought her daughter a pair of walkie-talkies, unaware this would be a mistake that would haunt them for the rest of their lives. Because just a few days after playing with the new toy, the child turns on the radio once more and calls her mom, asking if she could make dinner. And that's when an unsettling, raspy voice came out of the toy. She knew that wasn't her mom's voice, so she starts crying in fear and runs up to her mom's room to show what happened. The mom didn't believe her at first, but decided to play along. But no one was ready for what happened next, because once they start to talk into the toy, this happens. She bought her daughter a pair of walkie.
Serius ah? Walkie-talkie toys. Okey korang, ini macam best, tapi nanti kita tengok. Sebabnya aku rasa macam aku dah terlambat. Aku tengok tak sihat. So kalau korang nak, korang komen for part 2 and kita akan ceritakan and kita tengok video-video seram pasal walkie-talkie yang dikatakan menakutkan. Dia belikan untuk anak dia, lepas tu ada suara-suara yang menakutkan lah keluar dekat walkie-talkie diorang. Okay guys, so kalau korang nak, cuba korang komen ramai-ramai. Okay guys, so aku rasa tu saja. Korang rasa permainan mana lagi yang patut diharamkan? Sebab aku rasa sekarang lagi banyak permainan-permainan yang pelik-pelik yang keluar kan. Kalau korang rasa ada lagi permainan yang patut diharamkan, cuba korang komen. Okay guys, so aku rasa saja macam biasa. Kalau korang suka video aku, jangan lupa tekan like, komen dan juga subscribe. Jaga diri, know this, stay safe. Bye korang. Bye.